how often should an organization review or upgrade their infrastructure? Actually, that's two separate questions. We believe that an organization should review their infrastructure very regularly, but it's also based on your sector, your environment. There are some organizations that review their infrastructure every quarter, some organizations that review their infrastructure every year. We believe that the performance of your infrastructure should be reviewed every month, right? So you have an understanding of exactly how that environment or those equipment are actually performing on a daily basis. And from that review, you can actually decide based on whether or not it's performing well, should I look towards an upgrade, right? With respect to the upgrade, an organization can also use additional information from the manufacturer. For example, what is the average time for replacement? What is the end of life status of the devices? Because you may have purchased a device in 2026 that goes end of support in 2030 or 2027. Those types of information can help you as an organization understand whether it's time or it's not time.